So what is the minimum credit score that you need to be approved for the Chase Sapphire Reserve credit card? The answer is, in general, you need at least a 700. However, when it comes to getting approved for the Chase Sapphire Reserve and many other premium credit cards for that matter, there are factors that actually matter more than your credit score number. And I'll give you a couple of examples in this video. Number one is the depth of your credit history. There are many ways to be at a 700 credit score. You can be at a 700 credit score with only 1 year of credit history. You don't have any missed payments and your credit card utilization is around 10%, maybe below 10%, and you'll be at a 700. You can also be at a 700 credit score with 8 years of credit history and no missed payments, and perhaps you've opened a couple of accounts in the past year and your credit card utilization is around 30 or 40%. The second person with 8 years of credit history is much more likely to be approved for the Chase Sapphire Reserve than the first person with 1 year of credit history, even though they are both at a 700. The second thing that matters for the Chase Sapphire Reserve specifically, the Chase Sapphire Reserve has a minimum $10,000 credit line. So when you put in that application, Chase is going to pull a credit report. And if they see that another bank is already extending you a $10,000 credit line on any credit card, they are much more likely to be able to approve you for the card rather than someone who their highest credit limit is perhaps $3,000. And those two reasons are primary reasons why you see people getting approved for the Chase Sapphire Reserve with a 680 credit score, because probably they have 5+ years of credit history and they already have at least one other card with a $10,000 credit line. And then on the other hand, you see people with a credit score of 740 being denied for the Chase Sapphire Reserve because their credit history is very new. They've only had credit for 1.5 to 2 years. They only have a couple of credit cards and their highest limit is, let's say, $5,000. If you are someone who is in that position, work on getting your credit limit as high as possible before you put in another application for the Chase Sapphire Reserve.